Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Jessica Woolworth, a practicing CPA and an accounting professor. If you remember just one equation from this course, make it this one. Tax equals the tax base times the tax rate. That's it. That really is the whole calculation. Your tax is simply the base times the rate. So the math part is easy. The tricky part, that's figuring out the base. So, what is the tax base? It's a good question. The tax base is simply what's being taxed. For income tax, for example, the base is your taxable income. For sales tax, the base is the purchase price of an item. And for property tax, the base is the value of the property. Once you figure out the base, calculating the tax is just simple multiplication. For instance, if your taxable income is $10,000 and the rate is 10%, your tax is $1,000. See? Easy. But of course, there's a catch. In the real world, figuring out that taxable income number is where all the complexity is hiding. Income rules, deductions, credits, adjustments, all of those complicated rules, they exist just to help us find the correct base. Once we have that magic number, the actual tax calculation is pretty straightforward. And that's why tax law can feel so complicated. It's not the math, you see, it's all about defining what counts. So, anytime you start to feel overwhelmed by tax rules, just remember we're really just trying to answer one question: what is the correct base? In the next episode, we'll talk about something students constantly mix up: marginal, average, and effective tax rates. Got a tax topic you're curious about? Drop it in the comments. I might cover it in a future video. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or follow, depending on where you're watching. And just a reminder, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Every business is unique, so be sure to consult with a qualified tax professional before making any decisions about your taxes. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.